Hello and welcome to my week 3 presentation on IBD, inflammatory bowel disease, in dogs and cats. On the agenda today is a brief introduction. We're going to discuss what actually IBD is in dogs and cats. We'll learn some more about the signs and symptoms, and then what you can do, and then we will conclude. So if your dog has ever been diagnosed with IBD, that's short for inflammatory bowel disease, you're probably wondering, what does that mean? Why is my pet sick? Let's break it down very simply. So what is IBD in dogs and cats? IBD happens when your pet's immune system mistakenly attacks their own gut, especially the lining of the intestines. That lining is like a sponge. It absorbs nutrients from food. But when it gets inflamed and swollen, it stops working properly. Let's learn some more. Let's talk about the signs and symptoms. So instead of soaking up nutrients, the gut becomes leaky. That means your pet may lose important proteins and can't absorb vitamins or fats well. The result equals weight loss, chronic diarrhea, vomiting, or a dull coat. One really big issue is something called protein-losing enteropathy. This means that proteins like albumin, which helps keep fluid in the body, are leaking out into the gut. That can make your pet feel weak or even cause swelling in the legs or belly. So if you're worried about your pet and they might have signs or symptoms of IBD, your vet can run blood tests. They can do imaging or even take a small sample of the intestine to find out what's going on. With the right treatment, usually a mix of diet changes, anti-inflammatory meds, and sometimes supplements, many pets can live a happy, comfortable life. And here are my references. I used Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine. Thank you.